Hi friends, welcome to channel 11. Today I'm going to give some example about how to download a document from the data grid. So before going to the example, let me go and run the application and show the output. So this is my application. So this is the default application. So in this I have created one ASPX space, read download load. So I have given random names and the proper one. So this is the grid, and let me go on not required. So this is extra message. So this is the my sample grid. So this is the name and path. So this is how it looks. So just I wanted to download the my resume. So if I click, just double click, one single click, you can see that it started downloading. So it is going to get that file and downloading to you. So if you want to open, just click. So it will get open in docs document or document. So as well as about also, this is text file. So if you want to open, just click it. So this is my about txt. So if I go for a photo, so this is my photo. And since my system is too slow, it takes time to load the document. Before that, let me go and explain that explain the code. I will try to explain the code. So this is the document, Aditya, he is my son. So it's taking. So this is my design view, and so if you suppose, as I mentioned, if user click on view, I will go to the source. This is the my grid data grid source. If you see, this is my data grid source. Let me go and increase the font. So zoom. So this is, so I think this is okay. So this is the my grid. I have green ID as load grid. So you see here, I mentioned auto generated column false on. So I created one event on row command, and so I created one event. This is my bound columns. So I am in columns folder. I am reading the name in the template columns. So I am creating one manual custom template. In custom template, I created one link button. On link button, I am passing the path. So if you see that command name, I'm passing the path to that command name. And so I've given the text as a view. So whenever user click on that view, it will go to this command, and so it will invoke that command. In that command, if you see that this is the code, is going to download that document from that location. So I'm reading the command name. So in the my command name, I will get the path name. So this is my path. So I am passing to that file info object. So once I pass the file info object, so I will get that all file detail information to this object. So that is my second step, and third step I am creating the response object. So this is my response object. Now I'm going to send that information to this response object, and I will write down, I will flush it so that the document will get downloaded. So next I am clearing the content. Here I am identifying the content type based on the extension. So since I have already set my information to file info, so I will get that file extension. So I will come to know the what is the extension here. So in case if it is the .pdf, I am setting that application PDF for content type. Like this, I am setting GIF TXT, GIF TXT, XLSX doc subject. So I'm setting the relevant content type. So after I identify the content type, I am passing that content type to my response object. So I am also setting my header to provide the file name. So whenever user click on that link, view link, so we will see that exact name, what means what the file name is going to be. So I'm setting here. So I'm transmitting. So this is the method. So that file will get transmitted and means it get downloaded, and after that it is flashed. So this is three steps is important. After transmitted, if you make it flash, it will get downloaded into client machine. So this is the my overall code. I'm getting the path, and I'm assigning the file info. I'm creating response object. I'm in response object. I'm setting the content type as well as header and transmitting that file. So this is my grid event. Whenever user clicks on the view, it will get this method will invoke and this code will execute. And this is the where I am on page load. I am loading my data grid. So if you see that I have created one class, it has the name as well as a path. So I'm providing the path. So here you can write your own logic. It might be database, it might be file. So you can load and different sources. After that I am binding. So once I run this application, it is going to be look like this. So this is pretty simple application. So you can extend with the proper master pages and CSS and all. So I'll redemo this again. So if user click, so it's going to be invoke that code. Let me go and debug this one for you. So F9, I've clicked F9. So that is a debug. Let me go and click. So once I click, my debug has been hit. So let me go and check line by line. So I click that first row, resume. So my path is, so I will get the path. So since I have assigned my each row path to my command name, so so you see that my resume is my docs, and I have assigned to file info. So my extension is docs. So my content has been set to this one. So now I header and I click F5. If you see this, it get downloaded. So it name also like this. So this is very simple example and easy. I hope you understand how easy it is. The same code will execute to all .NET applications, and we see as Windows applications. So I wanted to show in grid. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.